Hello there, Miguel Martinez Juarez here. Today, I want to talk about how spirit works from within to without. Okay, as above, so below; as within, so without. Okay, the saying in the Emerald tablets. Okay, is similar. Okay, now how does it work? Well, there's spirit and matter, right? Spirit is non-physical, matter is physical. We're matter, right? And just because something doesn't have intelligence, hold on, I don't want to talk about it. I love you, truck. But like this truck, you can say is not alive, right? It's like a physical thing, right? It's not living. It doesn't have to eat, you know. It can live maybe forever, right? Now, if you look down into the atoms of the vehicle, it's in motion. Everything is in motion. Everything is vibrating. Okay, me and this truck are in vibration. That's why we're here together. Okay, black Chevy Avalanche 2011. Thank you, God. Thank you. Okay, and I'm thankful for my 2012 Challenger, Dodge Challenger SRT. That's a manifestation of mine as well. And it's moving. Okay, now how can we know what's is there a range of livingness, right? There's a range of livingness. Okay, and we notice this range of livingness through intelligence. Okay, as something gets higher in intelligence, it recognizes that there's order, right? That it's here, and it can recognize the order of the universe, right? How the universe is working. Okay, now the more intelligent, okay, one is, more evolved one is. Okay, if you can look at from the types of bacteria, animals, as they start evolving, they start progressing, they get more intelligent. Okay, we are very intelligent. Okay, now what Troward says spirit is it's very intelligent. Okay, spirit knows all. It is universal intelligence. Okay, universal intelligence. Now that's the highest form of living. Okay, now when you get to the highest form of living, like such as of ourselves, we can understand this level, right, of intelligence, of how things are moving and progressing forward and having a fuller expression and are expanding, right? Everything expands in the universe. Now what we need to do, right, is understand that thoughts are connected to intelligence. Okay, thoughts are connected to intelligence. Okay, so you can say spirit is thoughts. Okay, spirit is thinking. Okay, because only when you're at a certain level of intelligence could you think for yourself. Now you have awareness. Okay, I think there's a saying, I think, therefore I am. It's actually the opposite. It's I am, therefore I think. Right? Because I am is the subject. I am so grateful that I have a black Chevy Avalanche. I'm so grateful for it. Right? I just felt the gratitude in my heart. Black Chevy Avalanche is the subject. It's what I'm doing or I am perceiving. Okay? Thought is first. Thought is first. Okay? I am, the thought of your awareness is first. Your awareness is first. Okay, so I am, therefore I think and have complete thoughts. Okay, that's how it is. Because I showed you right now, right? The spirit is non-physical. It is just thought. It is intelligence. Okay, then once spirit creates something in the physical, now there's objectivity. You can compare things. Like, oh, I am this, I am that, I can see that, I can see this. You know, I am a sun. You know, I am a galaxy. You know, I am a germ. I am an atom. That's what the universe is saying to itself, right? Now, how does this help you, right? As within, so without, in manifestation. Okay. How it helps you is knowing that everything that you want is already here. It's already here. The plane, the computer, it was a thought. Someone thought about that, okay? The Wright brothers thought about a plane, okay? They caught the thought and they're like, oh, I'm so grateful I built this plane. I see it in my mind. I see it. We can do this. You know, I can do this. And they're already seeing it as already done in their mind. Okay? It's already there. All the resources were here. Okay? The knowledge was there. It's just they had to tap into it. They had to download it. It was already there. What was first? The image of it, the image of the airplane in their mind, or the plane physically? It was the thought. You can't argue that. Okay? Even if you, I don't know. What if they saw it from someone? You know, what if they someone showed them a picture? What if, you know, no, there was a thought first before it came. Before this truck was created, there was a thought. Oh, we should create a truck that looks kind of like a toy, has some plastic around it, has some designs. We'll call it a sports utility truck, kind of a mix of an SUV. You know, they don't make these babies anymore. So it was a thought first, and it became a thing. Okay. Now they stop production of these trucks, but I love it. Okay. Now, once you have that understanding that first origin is thought, that thought is the realm of causation, and that physical is the effects, you know that you have your goal already. You have your goal, and therefore you must be grateful for it. You be grateful for it because it's already there. Just a matter of time before it comes to you, until you get into a vibration. And there's always a gestation period. There's always a gestation period for your goal to manifest. Okay? We don't know that gestation period. Sometimes it's like boom, right away. Right? You align yourself to it really fast and boom. Maybe you need to work through some limiting beliefs and let the new idea, the new I am an owner of this, or I am more confident. Maybe it doesn't have to be a physical thing. It could be a quality, you know? And it manifests, you know. I am an alpha male, for example. I am an alpha male, right? I'm assertive, I'm confident, right? And I start feeling it. I started feeling it. I am, you know, feeling it. Now, you can use any quality, right? For women, you can use, you know, I am beautiful, right? I am beautiful. You start feeling it. You know, you're gonna start becoming it. Okay. Now, that's what you have to do. Okay. Now, here's a few tips on how to use this. Now you have this understanding. Now go apply it. Okay. You have to apply it. What I like to do is I like to do a vision board. And I use it on a Google Doc, right? I write a little statement of what I am. I am so happy and grateful. My goal statement and what I'm doing, right? A little statement, right? A clear statement of what your goal is, right? And have photos of what it would look like, right? And touch the ending, right? Say, for example, I just manifested my kitten, right? Right away I manifested the kitten. I was thinking about it before. I was thinking I would watch The Secret and I'll say, I want to get a pet because it's gonna help me be at a higher vibration, be more happy, right? And I got a picture of a kitten. My last video talks about this, and I put it on my vision board, and I would, in my mind, close my eyes, see the little kitten, right? It's there, and I would feel its little nails. I remember growing up, I would touch cats, right, from neighbors or maybe some outdoor cats. You know, I just pet them and stuff. You know, you're a kid, you don't know, but you just do things, right? Because you don't have no limiting beliefs. People have inculcated ideas. Oh, be safe. No, go do what you want. Do what you love, you know? Be courageous, right? Take risks. because in the end you're gonna get your goal, right? So going back to the cat, I would feel the little nails, right? And guess what? My sister, I was visiting my mom, and my sister Syra, she's like, hey, my friend is giving out cats. You know, they're looking for people to adopt the kittens that cat just had. Like, they have one more left, and that one more left is my kitten Spike, but it looks just like the one that I put on my vision board. Coincidence? No, everything happens by law. Okay, everything happens by law. Now, that's the way I do it. Other ways, you can write it. You can write down, I am so grateful now that I have a kitten, right? Or I'm earning a certain amount of money doing this, right? Or a certain amount of money, period, right? And it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen, okay? Put a little photo next to it, right? Feel it. The key is the feeling, all right? I was literally feeling the nails, and I was having fun. Oh, it's so cute, you know, thinking it was so cute. I was joyful. I didn't have to ask myself, how do I feel now that I have the cat? I was feeling it in the visualization. That's how powerful visualization is. And you need to have an image. You need to have an image, okay? Some people like to draw. You can draw. In The Secret, people, in the relationships one, she tells one of the, I forgot the name, I think it's Marie. Marie tells one of her clients, draw yourself with 3 women. You want to date 3 women a week? Draw yourself with 3 women, okay? Oh, he wants to get married? Draw yourself in a lovely marriage, you know? Draw yourself in a lovely marriage. Paint it, right? You can do that. The same thing with the vision board. You're painting it. You have a picture of it. I use a Google Doc. You can use Pinterest. I know Leo or Alexandra uses she made a video about using Pinterest, so that can help out, okay? Now, these are live right now, I'm telling you, so I'm just gonna post them. They're not gonna be edited, so you know they're live, okay? I could edit them. I do have Adobe, but I like uploading it right away. Okay. Here's another thing. Here's another way you can do it. What other ways have helped me? Writing it down. Writing I am grateful. Right. It's important to have the feeling I am grateful. Gratitude is a big feeling. Write a list of things you're grateful for. Then write the list of things you want, and they'll happen. And also have a feeling, have a view. Have an image of what it looks like. See, who's congratulating you? Who's telling you, hey man, congratulations, right? Here's something that happened to me. That's why everything's happening for you, not to you. I work as a salesman at a tax relief firm right now, okay? I'm there because I want to learn sales, but I also have to make money for the company. So I made a goal of earning over 100,000. It's already done, and the spiritual is already done. Now I'm getting all the knowledge and tools. They're all coming to me. But something happened where my coach, I call him a coach, but you know he's the CEO. He's my boss. He said, look, you need to boost up the production or you're fired. And I was like, okay, right? And I started seeing myself walking into his office and him smoking, because he likes to smoke those little little electric cigarette things. I don't know, e-cigs. I don't know what they are, but they smell really good. They smell like strawberries and roses and watermelon and stuff like that. So I picture myself opening the door, walking in, and saying, "Hey, I just sent you an email. Did you see it?" Like, "Yeah, I saw it. Congratulations. I knew you could earn over 100,000 in sales in 1 month." And I say, Thank you, me too. And then I'm kind of blowing out the smoke out of my face, because you know it's a small office, not a big office, and you know it's kind of like getting in my face. So I'm going like that, and I'm walking towards the side of the room to look at the mirror, look out the window, and then boom, done. That's it. But it's very specific, and when I started doing that, everything started like things started happening. But I know the law, so I wasn't all scared, you know. This is why I do these videos. This is why I do them, because I almost got emotional right now. Because I didn't grow up with this information. You know, a lot of my family doesn't have this information, and if I tell them, they might think I'm crazy. But there's science for this. There's science to this. But the truth, most people won't read. I'm gonna put a link right here of a article, very good article, on how atoms are either a wave, a vibration, a wave, a frequency, or a solid. And it's only a solid when somebody becomes aware of it. An intelligent being becomes aware of it. Somebody looks at it. Someone looks at it. It turns solid. So we're just getting into that. We're just really breaking the the science of physical reality, just doing it. But there's been sages, there's been you call them avatars, you know, Jesus Christ, enlightened people who've been telling us this, right? But we haven't been listening, or maybe we have. We just haven't been asking the right questions. Okay, we haven't been asking the right questions. Okay, so look, an atom becomes a solid when you look at it. When you're not looking at it, it's not a solid. Now, what does that tell you? Your focus creates reality. Literally, it's not even a like an analogy. It's literally your thoughts create your physical reality. Okay, and I'm gonna wrap it up right there. Make sure you visualize, feel the feelings of having what you want already. Know that it's already there. Okay, spirit is infinite intelligence. Okay, everything we're tapping into, all the atoms and studies that we're uncovering, it's already here. We're just uncovering it. It's already here. There's an intelligence that knows all, that has it all already. And what we do is just we bring things into fruition, and we are discovering what's already been here. Okay, a big suggestion for this reading, so you understand it, is Spirit and Matter. Spirit and Matter. That's a chapter in Troward's book. I believe it's the. Let me double check. I'm gonna hold this right here. I have a book. It's called The Collected Works. The Edinburgh Lectures on Mental Science by Thomas Troward. My coach Bob Proctor studies him, right? He says he studies a lot of him and Think and Grow Rich. But the stuff I'm talking about is